Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and we all want super bright, glowing, radiant skin. Well, vitamin C will help you do that. I love this vitamin C serum by SeoulCeuticals. It's a day glow serum and it has so many amazing properties. So to use this serum, I will use it in the morning. I'll take about 4 drops and that works all over my face. You can see how lightweight the serum is and how easily it rubs in and absorbs into my skin. After that, I'll just apply some sunblock and I'm ready to go for the day. I find that this works really nicely with my sunblock. I like that it's not sticky as well. This has really nice properties in it. It doesn't just have vitamin C, it has things that work well with vitamin C like ferulic acid, and you can see the consistency here. It's lightweight. I love the smell. It's not strong, but it does have a slight orange smell to it. So if you're looking for a serum that contains vitamin C, it's not irritating, and it's gonna give you a nice glow, try this one out. I love it, and that's my point of view.